Someone special, who could it be? This job's too big for you and me.
We need some help, but never Firo.
It looks like a job for a Higglytown hero. A Higglytown hero.
I'm a Higglytown hero, brave and true. I help the town with the things I do. So work real hard and you will see that you can be a hero, just like me. A hero, just like me. I'm your handy plumber, true and trained. I handle faucets, sinks and drains. If you lost something down the sink, I can find it in a wink. If you got a rusty faucet, I can take it out and toss it. Fix up sinks, all kinds and types, so water comes right through your pipes.
Unclog a drain from a bathtub in Spain? Can you fix a drip in a pirate ship?
A pirate strip or a drain in Spain, I'll fix them all up right as rain. I can make pipes fit together and make water flow in the coldest weather. I'm a Higglytown hero, bold and good. I help my friends just like I should.
So work real hard, that's what we'll do, so we can be a hero, just like you. A hero just like you.